Hello everyone, my name is CMA. Welcome back to CMA modules. Today we will be recording a video lecture on topic known as bills of exchange. Herein we will be recording journal entries related to bills of exchange. Now, what is bills of exchange? That we completed in our previous lecture. Here what we will be doing is we will be going through journal entries. Let us get back to our previous example, wherein we were going through, wherein we studied that shopkeeper is selling goods to the customer. Now customer is ready to pay, but he is not ready to pay today, he'll pay after 30 days. So this is credit sale. So whenever there is credit sale, bills of exchange will come into picture. Okay, whenever there is credit sale, bills of exchange will come into picture. So if it is cash sales, no, record ho gaya na, cash aa gaya. Why to go for documentation? Here it is credit sales. We are supposed to record कि I have not received that amount. I have to bring that to my notice कि हाँ, after few days I am supposed to do follow up and bring this amount to bring that amount. Okay. So here Mr. Shopkeeper, what he'll do, he'll draw a bill, a document, and on that document he'll note down everything. Mr. A is my customer, पैसे नहीं दिए हैं, goods लिए हैं, 1000 rupees लेने हैं, ये date है, after 30 days, मतलब this will be by maturity date. Okay, it will be signed by both the parties, and shopkeeper will draw that copy and give it to customer. Customer will also agree and sign and return it back. Okay. Now we have two parties here, drawer, and we have one more party, drawee. Okay, we have drawer and drawee. So here we don't use word customer and shopkeeper. Instead, we use word drawer and drawee. The person who draws is a drawer, and the person who accepts is drawee. So if we relate this to our example, shopkeeper will be drawer and customer will be drawee. Now coming back to our journal entries. So first journal entry will be related to sales, credit sales, customer to sales, credit what goes out, customer account debit to sales, customer account debit to sales. Then we have next one is bills receivable entry. Now what is bills receivable entry? Bills receivable, that person, customer is giving us the bill back, so that's bills receivable. Okay, he gave me back, so bills receivable account debit to customer, that is drawee account. Debit what comes in, credit the giver, so this is bills receivable account debit to drawee, bills receivable account debit to drawee. Debit what comes in, bills receivable is coming in, credit the giver. Okay, then we have third point, third journal entry. Third journal entry is related to bill is retained. Okay, if bill is retained by drawer, so no entry, maturity तक वो हाथ में पकड़ के रखेगा, so no entry for that. Now same for all the three cases. Let me complete drawee also. Let me complete drawee part also. So we have credit sales, here we have credit purchases. So what is credit purchases? Credit purchases is opposite purchases we have done, purchases to shopkeeper will come ideally, but here we'll write drawer, we'll use the word drawer. So credit purchases, purchase account to drawer. Then we'll go for bills payable. Bills payable will be credit, and here drawer will be debit. So we have credit purchases. Credit purchases is debit what comes in, so goods are coming in, so purchase account debit, and who is giving you, so drawer, so that way it will be a drawer. Then drawer will be credited. Then you have bills receivable, bills payable entry. Here you have bills receivable, so here it will be bills payable, credit what goes out, debit the receiver. Then again retain, no entry here. Okay, I'll make the payment at the time of maturity. Then I have fourth point. What is fourth entry? Fourth entry is bill is discounted. Okay, bill is discounted with bank. So what is happening here is bill is discounted with bank. Bill is discounted with bank means I am the shopkeeper, I am drawer, I am in urgent need of money and I cannot wait for 30 days. So I'll approach bank and I'll tell bank that, see, I'm supposed to receive this amount after 30 days, but I cannot wait for 30 days. So what you do is you make payment. Okay, I cannot wait for 30 days. So you make me the payment. So bank will give us cash, okay, against that bill. So cash account debit, okay, cash account debit, discount account debit, to bills receivable, to bills receivable account. So discount is my expense. Okay, discount is my expense. Here in case of drawing, there will be no entry. Usko idea bhi nahi hai what we are doing, what drawer is doing with that bill. So no entry in the books of drawing. Then we have point number 5. Point number 5 is I am endorsing bill. Bill is if bill is endorsed. Okay, I am endorsing my bill if bill is endorsed. In this case, what will happen is, in this case, I am supposed to pay, I am shopkeeper, I am drawer of the bill, I am supposed to pay same amount to my friend Mr. B. So what I'll do is I'll ask I'll endorse this bill to Mr. B. So what I'll do is I'll give bills receivable. Okay, so two bills receivable, two bills receivable, creditor. Suppose I was supposed to pay my supplier. Okay, so creditor, debit the receiver. Who is receiving? My creditor, my supplier. I'm supposed to pay it to him. So debit the receiver and credit what goes out. Okay, done. For endorsement, here also no entry. He'll have no idea what I'm doing with the bill. Now I have one more, sixth point. Now suppose here, when I'm endorsing, it can be like 10,000 ka bill I'm paying to supplier, and more 5,000 I was supposed to pay. So more 5,000 also I'll pay. So it will be creditor, two bills receivable, two cash. Okay. Then I have one more. If the bill is sent to bank for collection, if bill is sent to bank for collection, okay, then in that case I am very busy, I don't get time for collection and everything. So what I'll do is I'll ask my bank, I'll give standing instructions to them, you please take care of such bills. So bills sent to bank for collection, they'll charge nominal amount. Okay, they'll charge nominal amount. Bills receivable, bill sent to bank for collection, to bills receivable. Here there will be no entry. Okay. Obviously, drawee will not know what I'm doing with the bank again. So for these four cases, drawee will have no idea what I'm doing with the bill. For drawee, it is like 28th Feb को purchase किया है, after 28th March को payment करना है. तो 28th March after adding 3 days of grace days, 31st April तक मुझे payment करना है. For drawee, it will be that way. Then let us go for next journal entry. Okay, so if the bill is retired before maturity, what is happening here is bill is retired. You have surplus money. Okay, you have surplus. आज कुछ sale किया and from that sale you got very good amount. So you are planning to pay away your dues. So you are retiring your bill. So what you told to the drawer, your shopkeeper, that what you do one thing, you give me some discount because I'm making little early payment. So for me, for shopkeeper, it will be cash or bank account debit. Okay. Two bills receivable. Okay. After cash or bank account, I'm supposed to pay away my bills receivable. Okay. So two bills receivable. Okay. Here I'll have to give my customer a rebate, that is nothing but discount. Okay. So cash or bank account debit, rebate account debit, two bills receivable. Okay, if suppose bill is sent to bank for collection, two bills sent to bank for collection. Okay, so this is bill is retired. Now here in this case, bills payable, because he is giving away the bill, bills payable to cash or bank, to rebate received. Okay. So this is what this is related to bills payable. He's making payment, no? Credit what goes out. Creditor, from creditor, it is going out to cash or bank. To rebate received. He is getting income, he is getting discount received, and bills payable. Okay. Then we'll take one more. One more is if bill is honored or paid on, if bill is honored or paid on due date. So bill is honored or paid on due date. So here on due date, drawer is receiving cash or bank, 2 bills receivable, normal entry. Here he is making payment. So bills payable to cash or bank. Credit what goes out. Cash or bank is going out. Then I have ninth point. Ninth point is if bill is honored or paid on due date. Okay, previously retained by X. If bill is honored or paid on due date, previously discounted with bank. Okay, so if bill is discounted with bank, bill is honored, which is discounted with bank. So no entry in our case, right? No entry in our case, because bank will pass that entry. But in case of drawee case, drawee's book, it will be normal entry, bills payable to cash or bank. So 10th point, you have if bill is honored, paid on due date, previously sent to bank for collection. If bill is honored and sent to bank for collection. So here it will be bank account debit to bill sent to bank for collection. Okay, 2 bills sent to bank for collection. So here again bills payable to cash or bank, same entry. He will not come to know what drawer has done. So just to summarize, I'll tell you there are 4 cases. Bill is retained with drawer. First case. Second case, bill is discounted with bank. Third case, bill is sent to bank for collection. Fourth case, bill is endorsed. So मोटा मोटा ये 4 केस का you will have first, you are doing that activity, you are endorsing, so pass endorsement entry. You are sending bill to bank for collection, pass that entry. You are discounting bill with banks, pass that entry. You are retaining with drawer, pass that entry. Then you have honoring entry, and then you have dishonored. If there is dishonored, there is this dishonor case. So for this 4 entries only, you will pass this 4 entries first. You will record this 4 cases first. Then you will honor this 4 cases. Okay. Then what you will do, you will pass dishonor entry. So mota mota, if you see, you have 4 plus 4, 8, and 12 entries are fixed. Whatever happens, 12 entries you will have. And those 12 entries are clear also. If bill is sent to bank for collection, if it is honored, bill sent to bank for collection will come. If bill is discounted with bank, already we have passed that entry. If bill is endorsed, then okay, that payment will be done. But if bill is dishonored and it is endorsed, we will have to take care of it. We will have to pay to the supplier and make entry collect it from the customer. Okay. So what I am trying to tell you is you have only 4 cases. Of these 4 cases, okay, these are your 4 cases. These are your 4 cases. Of these 4 cases, you have to pass these 3 entries. First honoring, first you record, then honor. If bill is not getting honored, then dishonor. Okay, you are done with your sums. You are done with your chapter, in fact. Okay. So if bill is honored and sent to bank for collection, you have bank to bill sent to bank for collection, and same entry here. Then you have if bill is honored and it was endorsed. Bill is honored. If bill is honored and it was it was endorsed. So in this case, no entry. Here it will be normal entry. Okay, here it will be normal entry. Then we have next 12th one. If bill is honored, if bill is dishonored, and earlier it was, so dishonor entry we are passing. Bill is dishonored. So if bill is dishonored, then what will be the entry? You have to record it in reverse manner. So you will have to collect it from your customer. So drawings account debit. Okay, you'll have to collect it from your customer. To bills receivable, to cash or bank account. Bill is dishonored. Why cash or bank account? Here I'll write in bracket noting charges. So whenever your bills get dishonored, okay, it is not getting paid. In that case, you will have to note it down. You will have to get it notarized. Okay, so that noting charges you will collect from your drawee. So when bill is dishonored, you will have to pay. You will have to give away your bill again, update it, and collect cash and bank charges. This noting charges from your drawee. So this is the one. And in case of drawee, it will be bills payable account. No, sorry, I'm paying noting charges. So debit all expenses and losses. Noting charges account debit to drawee account. Okay. Bills payable account debit. Noting charges account debit to drawing account. I hope you are comfortable with the lecture. We have few more entries of dishonor. Those entries will take in next lecture. Thank you.